Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. Now, as you all have already read from today's title, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can remake
this jewelry slash makeup organizer box, whatever you want to call it. It looks quite simple and plain.
Further watch the video to see how I made this box into this box. So without further ado, let's begin with the video.
To get started with this DIY project, the first thing you're going to need is of course a plain box. It could be a jewelry box, a makeup box, and then next what you're going to need is a glitter sticker paper. I technically used about 6 or 7 sheets in order to cover up the box, a portable mirror to place inside the box, a chalkboard plaque, and finally some gold paint with paintbrush. I'm going to first grab this chalkboard plaque, and pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out the strings. I'm going to start painting the chalkboard plaque using some gold paint. I'm only going to be painting the outside of the chalkboard plaque. I'm not going to be painting the inside, of course, because that's the only part I need painted. And I'm going to continue painting all around the plaque.
Longer than a few minutes later.
Alright you guys, so finally I am finished painting the chalkboard plaque, and now I'm just gonna leave it aside for it to dry. Alright, so once that's drying, now I'm gonna start with placing the glitter paper onto the box. Pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take out one sheet and I'm just gonna peel it off from the back. Now before fully sticking the glitter paper on top of the box, I noticed that there is a circle shape, I don't know what that is. So pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the paper on the top. I'm not going to peel it off yet, and I'm going to try to find the circle. So once I find it, I'm going to trace it up, and then so that way I know where it is exactly. I'm going to cut out the circle, and once that's cut out, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel off the glitter paper and just stick it onto the box like this. And pretty much just continue sticking the paper onto the box, inside and out.
The next day.
Alright you guys, so it is actually the next day. This project actually took me a while to complete, but still not complete yet. I pretty much was able to finish off sticking the entire glitter paper all around the box. It's actually looking really nice. Next what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the dried up chalkboard plaque, and pretty much I'm going to grab a portable mirror, and I'm just gonna, let me just clean that up one second. There you go, much better. Alright then. So now what I'm going to do is I'm pretty much just gonna hot glue and just place the mirror on top of the chalkboard plaque, and this is how it's gonna look like. Alright, once that's been nicely placed on there, next step is the final step, which is I'm going to be placing it inside the box, and this is how it looks like. And here is the finished look. Wow, this came out so beautiful. Honestly, it's so pretty. It's my favorite color and it's so gorgeous. I wasn't expecting it to come out this good. This was actually my first time doing a DIY project like this, so I am very happy with the way it came out.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. For all my video updates, you guys can check me out on Instagram. My Instagram is provided down in the description below and just down here. And also, you guys can also follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is also _INSTA.
And today's video shout out goes to Bella Flowers. Shout out to you.
To get a video shout out, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's all you have to do. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And you'll be entered in to get a shout out. And thank you so much. Take care, guys. Stay safe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, see you later. Bye-bye.